So this one is for a whole massage for the face. It will take us maybe 2 minutes. I'm going to start to do by movements, and this movement is going to be like 3 times, and that's it. So I'm going to use my Vital Defense of Yonka. So it's a little bit. So the pressure and relaxing my muscles around my front head, around my eyes. Relax this area. Normally when we have too much stress, this area is getting sore a bit. And that's it. Now we repeat it again 3 times. Front, eyes, mouth, chin, here, relax, going out,